Ever wonder what makes South Asian rice so irresistible? Well, my mom just made this incredible delicious dish. This is Khuder Bhat, a classic Bangladeshi comfort food. We're cooking for 5 people, so wash 450 grams of basmati rice and soak it for 10 minutes. If you don't have broken rice at home, no worries, just squeeze the soaked rice with your hands and that's it. Next, heat up a pan and add 30 ml of cooking oil, 1 chopped onion, 3 sliced garlic cloves, freshly diced ginger and some green chillies. And half a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Give it a good mix, add your rice and a pinch of salt. Water rules? Easy. Always add double the amount of rice in water. So here's I'm using 900 ml of water for 450 grams of rice. Bring it to a boil on high heat, check the salt and if needed add some more. Then cover and simmer at low heat until the water is fully absorbed. And there you have it, fluffy aromatic Khuder Bhat. I wish you could smell this right now.